A good galley manager is the backbone of any service.
I can hardly
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. And today's video is going to be for the airline candidates again. In between, if I do speak in Hindi, please bear with me. It's for my Indian audience as well, who prefer at times that I speak in Hindi. So दोस्तों आज हम बात करने वाले हैं गैली के बारे में. So I want to start this another series in which I'm going to be talking about the internal interiors of an aircraft, so that you already become familiar with it while the time you prepare for your interviews. So today I'm going to be talking about the 787 galley. 787 is the Airbus family aircraft. 787, it's usually used on long haul flights, not on ultra long haul flights, 8 to 9 hour flights maximum. So now galley is basically the kitchen of the aircraft. दोस्तों मैं आपसे चाहूँगा कि यार आप ना कोशिश करो कि धीरे धीरे आप इंग्लिश में ही फॉलो करो, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तुम्हें इंटरव्यू तुम्हें इंग्लिश में ही देना होगा. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है हिंदी में बोलने, लेकिन बात यह है कि ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि देखो मेरा इंडियन ऑडियंस जो है मेरा इंटरनेशनल भी है, कुछ इजिप्ट से, अल्जीरिया से, ट्यूनीशिया से, अफ्रीका से, अलग अलग कंट्रीज से जो है कैंडिडेट्स हैं. तो आप यार कोशिश कीजिए, अगर आप इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइन के लिए तैयार कर रहे हैं तो आप कोशिश करिए कि दैन योर लेवल ऑल्सो बिकम्स इंटरनेशनल. Okay, so coming back to the topic, this is the picture of the galley. Okay, so you can see on the screen, this is the galley. This is the aft galley of the aircraft. So if you see, I'll start from the extreme right hand side. Those long rectangular things which you see, those are the card doors. Okay, so in between these card doors, there are carts. Okay, I'll show you the picture of the cart. Okay, so cart is what is used for service. When you go inside the cabin, you take the carts. So this is where the carts are placed by the catering department. Catering department comes from the right hand side of the door. Left hand side is used for passenger embarkment and disembarkment. So there you see on the top of that, there's this black area that is called the galley top. So galley top is used for making arrangements for your service. वहीं पे आप अपना arrangements करते हैं service का galley top पे. And then you see those red things, those are latches. So वो बहुत, it's very important to latch that for your service, for takeoff and landing, because that's when the aircraft galley is secure, right? Because otherwise it will hurt anyone. Now on top of that, on the extreme right hand side, you see this black area. Those are placed for tea and coffee pots. वहाँ से गर्म पानी आता है बिल्कुल उबलता हुआ, जो कि टी कॉफ़ी के लिए यूज़ होता है. So that's where the tea coffee water comes from. On the left hand side you see rectangular again things. Those are the ovens of the galley. That's where the food is heated. वहाँ पे सारे खाने गर्म होते हैं, वहाँ पे everything is heated. Casseroles are put inside these ovens and then they are put on the particular timer. So again, catering comes and they put the casseroles inside these ovens. It's very nostalgic that I'm looking at this, because I've worked in this aircraft a lot of flights on this aircraft I've done. It's very amazing galley it is. Okay, anyway, a lot of memories. Now coming on the left hand side, I see there's this space. This space is again to store your Magic box. Magic box is it has miscellaneous items which you need for your service. Now if you see on the left hand side again, there's this tea coffee pot area, and in extreme there's one more oven there. Okay, so I explained to you where the cart tops are, then how to latch it, then the galley top is the area where you work, then I showed you ovens. Now if you go on top, you can see the Atlas boxes. You see those square boxes? Those are called Atlas boxes. What are they used for? They are used to put things like juices, water bottles, cups, plastic cups, paper cups, right? Tea coffee pots, anything that you need for your service is stored there. So they have a particular location. It's very important that you know your locations. So when you start the job, when you're a galley manager, if you know your locations, your job is going to be very smooth. However, if you do not know the location, it's going to be a challenge. But yeah, in the starting it does take some time. तो दोस्तों, ये जो गैली है इतनी ज़रूरी होती है कि आपको सारी जगहों का पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा सामान कहाँ पे रखा है, जब ही ना आप सर्विस अच्छी तरह से कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि टाइम ड्यूरेशन होता है, टाइम का चैलेंज होता है, और 4-5 लोग होते हैं जो अलग अलग नेशनैलिटी से हैं यार, सबको इंग्लिश में यार बात कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन सबको इतनी एक हो सकता है आप अकेले इंडियन हो उस फ्लाइट पे, है ना, और मेरे साथ तो बहुत हुआ है, लेकिन मेरा खैर अच्छा रेपुटेशन था सबसे। लेकिन मेन क्या होता है, आपको काम आपका अच्छा होना चाहिए यार। काम, इफ़ यू आर वेरी अवेयर ऑफ द गैली लोकेशंस, योर वर्क विल गो एक्सट्रीमली स्मूथ. So it will come, that comes with practice. The more you fly, the more you come to know about the locations of the galley. So just to tell you, one cart has usually 36 trays. So one row has 3 trays and there are 12 rows. So 12 into 3 is 36 trays. And the meals are kept in the oven. They're heated from the oven, then they're placed in the cart. They call the word loaded. So you use gloves, oven gloves are given, and then you load them into the cart. Right, and then you prepare cart top, something called a cart top. Okay, then you put the cart top on top of the cart, and then you take it for service. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you to give you some insight as to how you must be wondering how things work in an aircraft. तो यार दोस्तों, मेरा यही पर्पस है दैट मैं ये सीरीज़ के थ्रू आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया देना स्टार्ट करूं. मैं नहीं चाहता मैं ऐसे कुछ एक लोग बना रहे हैं वीडियोस, कोई भूत के ऊपर बना रहा है, कोई अपने घर में कलह है उसके ऊपर बना रहा है, कोई अपने होम टाउन में जा रहा है. दोस्तों, मैं ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने में बिलीव नहीं करता. मैं चाहता हूँ कि यार देखो, मेरा प्रोफेशन है ट्रेनर, ठीक है. नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई एम वर्किंग एज अ communication coach. I am a trainer. My point is not to make gossip videos. My point is not to make videos on ghost stories, etc. I find it highly ridiculous that I have such a good platform and I'm sharing such knowledge. My idea is to give you only knowledgeable things which is of value to you. If your aim is to prepare for the interviews, then my channel is for you. If it is just for passing time, just whiling away just like that, passing time, then this is not the place for you. So don't mind it, okay. For entertainment, if I do entertainment, I have a full-fledged entertainment videos. But when I talk about airlines or OET or anything related with training, I try to stick on the topic because I want this to be some value for you, okay. So I hope this was helpful for you. Leave in the comments, what do you think about the video? Do you like these series? I have started another series which is for the voice and accent, in which I'm going to be making you practice a voice, different voice sounds, so that your accent becomes something which is international, so that you're acceptable in any of the airlines. I have a track record of getting selected into many airlines. Therefore, I want to help you, guide you and help you how to do that, how I did that. So take care of yourself. So like, subscribe, and of course share it so that more and more people get the help and they don't get defrauded by fraud people, fraud individuals and entities. Take care of yourself. Bye.